Thanks for watching. Today I will be showing you guys my journey on getting my hair cut all off. I started by cutting it down at home, and so this is just me flushing the first part of my hair down the toilet. It actually didn't want to leave. As you can see, I had to do it twice. And so yeah, the next clip will be of me at the barber shop. I rinsed it red. Actually, I dyed it. And so, but after I cut it, I still had to come back home and kind of adjust the color because it was more darker at the roots. And so I needed to kind of recolor the roots. But it turned out pretty good. I love it. I've been wanting to cut my hair for a long time. And as I've told you guys in previous videos, I'm currently going through a divorce. And it has been long and drawn out. And so this is just kind of liberating for me to, shed some pounds, literally. Meaning 17 years worth of being in a relationship. Not to say that it was a bad relationship, but our marriage. It was a good marriage, but I think we outgrew each other, and sometimes that happens when you're married for such a long time. I heard something about every 15 years, every 7 to 15 years, you can expect to be with another person, even if you're within that same relationship. And that kind of made a lot of sense to me. And so, yeah, here he's, almost done. He asked me, he initially said he wasn't going to go any lower than this, but I told him I wanted it lower. And so you'll see the finished product. And so I won't talk any much longer. I'll let you guys finish watching the video. Again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you've went through anything similar to what I'm going through now. Subscribe to my channel. And like this video.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me?
Good afternoon. Today is Friday.
Why am I looking at you?
And today we are making burgers.
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you.
So I went to the grocery store today.
I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Small grocery haul. I'm gonna do that on my channel as well. I saw someone else doing it on their channel, and it was kind of interesting to see what other people buy for their households, the brand names they use and stuff like that. So I thought that would be something fun that we could do. So first off, Kroger because I needed like some stuff for dinner. So I got this hand soap, which was $1. I got these candles that I'm gonna put on my son's memory area that I have for him. And so I got 2 of those. They were $8. Actually, they were like 88 cents. They were like clearance or marked down or something. So I got 2 of those. I got my favorite all of Olay soap. That was a tongue twister. Olive Olay said 10 times it can. Anywho, Olive Olay soap. I do not like Dove. My aunt does, but my mom always used Olive Olay products coming up, so I love Olive Olay. Their soap, their body wash. Got the kids toothpaste, we have 2 separate bathrooms, so I have to buy 2 tissues because they just use tissue like for the heck of it. So now I am experienced raising the 24-year-old, about to be 22-year-old, 16-year-old, and 12-year-old. I've learned I buy myself Scott, and then I buy them whatever a less expensive brand I can find, whether it's Kroger brand, Walmart brand. It really doesn't matter. Okay, moving right along because I don't want to get a long video at all. I got the Kroger brand hamburger buns, which are my favorite. You can get the small ones or you can get the extra large ones. These were actually like $1, so I get these. And then I have ground beef. It's 73.27 combo. Blend mix, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, bought me some blueberries because I do make smoothies in the morning. I have lost a ton of weight, cut my hair, going through inspiration, divorce, all of the above. So this is me, which I have been working out and eating smoothies. So I've learned that sometimes buying the frozen fruit is a tad bit expensive with the ones I use from Kroger. So I got the blueberries, they were 2 for $4. I got the strawberries, they were 2 for $5, 2.50. And then I got some grapes, which I'm gonna take half of, probably over half of the bag, rinse them and freeze them for my smoothies. And my aunt gave them this fruit punch drink, which is Big K as well. We love Kroger in my family. And she has some of these Nature's Valley oats and honey. So she got those from my aunt's house. And then what else do I have for hamburgers? I think I got a tomato. Yeah, I got smart about buying tomatoes as well. The Roma tomatoes are the cheapest tomato you can find. You probably find them for like 89 cents, 99 cents a pound. And this one is probably less than a pound, so I probably paid, well, it's probably like a pound maybe. Yeah, anyway, it's like 27 cents or something. Not too much. And she has more granola bars. And then these is some corn because I wanted some corn and I didn't have it. I really need to go grocery shopping. And normally when I do go grocery shopping, I just go at one time because during the pandemic, I was having to run to the store to get stuff whenever they had it, with the shelves being empty and all. And I just got so drained from that. Normally, I would just go buy meals. That's how I like to cook. I go buy the meal because my kids, they don't eat leftovers like that. And so I would just go buy meals per day. And when the pandemic came, it was like, I'm tired of going to the grocery store. I'm tired of cooking. I just am overwhelmed with it all. Okay? So we haven't been to the grocery store like that. Now, not that we need to, because I never let my house get empty. So you can see we have all type of canned goods in here. Yeah, so, and then this is the side with all of my other stuff, like flowers and stuff. Up there are the cereals and stuff like that. And then this is my deep freezer, so it's always stacked to the top. We don't ever need any meats or anything like that, but, you know. And this is just how my mama raised me to shop. You know, just make sure that we always have food of some sort. You can make a meal. Oh, yeah, speaking of the fruit that I buy from Kroger, this is it. The Private Select. This is the mango, banana, and strawberry blend. This bag, if you find it on sale, you can probably buy it for like $3.99, which isn't bad. But if it's not on sale, it can be like $5 or so. So, And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse my fruit out, and I'm actually going to put them in this bag. And I like to just sprinkle a little sugar in there because I use apple juice to make my smoothies. And so I like to sprinkle a little bit of sugar over my fruit just to give it a little bit more sweetness. Okay, so moving along with our hamburgers. It's going to be just me tonight. I thought it was going to be everybody. Reginald's at work, and Zarina was here with me, but their sister Shay, my oldest bonus daughter, she's here from out of town. And well, she actually was here. She went to Mexico, Jamaica, one of them. It wasn't Bahamas, but Mexico or Jamaica, with her boyfriend Adam for their anniversary. So she came to pick Serena up. Hold on. Hey. That's my sister. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, they finished. Well, she done took it out because she was doing the Q&A for some child. Somebody came on here saying, I'm sorry, I ain't living in this world. Nobody wants to listen to me. But they just put Q&A down, girl. They messing with it already.
All right, let me go on there and see then.
She said she could have pressed on.
She said she finna do what, sister?
She could have pressed her hair. I think that's probably like the wigs I got. I don't think you've been pressed that for it on melt.
Oh no.
That ain't no, that don't look like a damn milk.
She got the costume wig. She finna press out the costume wig from Party City.
Girl, I don't know. She think she bought that. She said she bought that Party City.
I don't know.
That's a beauty supply one, girl. That's a beauty supply sister. But that ain't no human house. That ain't no. I'm thinking no.
So you can't put no heat to it, though.
Yeah, that ain't it, girl. That's about one of them shaky dogs that I got. Little people in there,
That's fine. Yeah. Instead of it being just all the way straight.
But she brushing it back straight. Maybe she put something on it or something.
Maybe she can curl it.
Maybe so, though. I'm wondering if when the lady did. So that one out for the legal stuff. No, damn, she look like damn Peter just for something for her damn head.
Was she on live?
Girl, that head looks over the universe.
I told you that how Bianca was. Son Quayla, them sister, she lost all that weight, Lola.
Yeah, that's how I don't know. The Oprah Winfrey, everybody, they knew that way they had.
Not Oprah Winfrey. Yeah.
And then, like, what scared me for her, you already don't have your kids. You be on live talking purge.
Yes. She ain't gonna never get no children back. You know what, Lola? Let me tell you this. I believe that sometimes when they get used to not having their kids, they get used to that. I don't think she want them kids back.
I don't think she gonna shoot her up and down with someone and they probably ask for what so they gonna take care of it now.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't think she's good enough to have all them children.
I don't either, sister.
Yeah, the truth is, the one really got the new one that come on. But the one that really is, you gonna get him a nervous damn breakdown. I know you're really inside her head.
Yeah, that's all she need. She needs some love, cause she don't have too much traumatic situations happen to her.
To me, it ain't cute. You're not gaining no respect from nobody but these little geeked out children that do the same shit you do.
Right.
You is too fucking cool to be pulling baby bottles of lean and popping perks now on live anyway.
Yeah, she is. I agree with you, sister. I agree with that. She is too old, especially.
She got them doing her, you ain't trying to do it.
Yeah.
She too much. I want this little bit of shake her, Lord.
It is the time and the place for all of that.
Yeah. And then, like I said, you got children, your kid could be looking at that live, you know, they do them drugs now.
Yes.
At the end of the day, they drugs. When you all gonna talk about who got them and get by me and buying them all my people on here and stuff, girl, people, you gotta be careful about them goddamn pills. So what I'm saying, girl,
I was about to say that girl just died in East Atlanta for taking them pills.
My granddaughter, the girl the Dapper girl, too, and she died from the pill.
Oh, the one who I don't know. We never did. You never tell me.
Dapper Jackson said, I heard that the sister got put on drugs or something. All the picture perfectly.
Really?
I think she went in like a cardiac arrest or somewhere else she was when she was out there.
So I season the ground beef with seasoned salt, black
Everybody didn't know
pepper,
where she was or where she
nature
was out there.
seasoning,
They
and
found her.
Worcestershire
But I
sauce.
think she had been in the hospital all the time.
Dang, that is crazy.
Yeah. I think they found her in her car. Was she in a car somewhere? When?
Yeah, I think she was in a car.
Somewhere, yeah. Dang. Yeah, I think I told her, I need to get on. And I get one for Rod every now and then. I give him a perk, but I know it's a perk. And I know he ain't finished. I know this lady come out with from Alabama. This same lady, I see her out here watching meet up, looking at everything.
Mm-hmm.
She drive all the way up to my Alabama stuff. But sometimes do just to calm me with the sleep, but that don't really do it. But that's cute though. I'm like,
They do well, long?
I said the police my iPod Rod.
Right.
I said his lady drive all the way up to my Alabama.
Oh, okay then. I heard that part. I thought you said something. I'm over here trying to cook get these hamburgers made up. My children, I took around and left meat in here. And,
Supposed to be an
huh?
They supposed to be an assistant helping.
No, they gone. William had to go to work. I was gonna cook for all of us, but Shay came and got Zarina to take her to get her nails done. And I know they gonna find something to eat while they out there, so I'm just cooking for me now, I guess.
You know, you can patty them all up and put them on the plate and then
Oh, you know what? That's what I can do. I can put them on some parchment paper and put them in the freezer, can't I?
they put them out they big brown trousers, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cause I don't want but one.
And I mix up 2 men and I just made patty, we put them in the freezer, they break it down.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I can throw them on the grill, throw it for them, in the oven with them. Yeah, I like to get back with them. Yeah, girl, I want to get you there.
Huh? Who? Oh, who gave it to her? Oh, okay then. Especially buying them off the street.
You know, you have to get, like my friend, because Christine, Christine got booted there, right? She got, Brazilian glitter, $10,000. She went to Miami, but she had to go, like, for the time, she had to get, like, 3 jobs and MRIs and all of this stuff, you know, before.
Yeah.
She was like, they can't find no, they find narcotics, instead of me, it's kind of this stuff in your system, they want to do your third, they're not you.
Yeah.
And who you putting all kinds of drugs in you? I talked about what's the upfield, the eggs and everybody else.
You think she already had the surgery all about it?
She said a month she could add. But you wildin' out. I pray you be alright, I did.
She better be careful. Kanye mama lost her life like that.
Girl, that's good. Put that lean makes me that.
That's what I said about that girl son. I wonder what happened to him.
Oh, girl.
Our girl, good game.
Oh, yeah, he died. And he was big. He had, like, health issues.
Oh, okay. I'll make sure he wouldn't take no drugs. Cause just how he big, that mean his ass went on no lean on that.
Yeah, that ain't got nothing. But I think the son had a cardiac arrest or something like that, heart attack or something. It did sleep.
Okay.
I don't know now. I don't know for sure now.
Yeah.
See, they fucked them, the lean and all that stuff.
That's what it calls cardiac arrest. So that's what I'm saying in my head, yeah. All that about fit
You know what I'm
description.
saying? Like, he was that tight, though. The son don't look like no hot boy. He look like,
Okay then. See, I ain't never seen them. I ain't never seen her son or her daughter. Cause she always be with them other folks. I don't know, but I ain't never seen her son or her daughter. All right, I'm back. I had to hang up because she was getting too deep into talking about stuff that. Anywho, that's what I'm saying. Right now, I'm peeling my fruit, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these off. I already put my other fruit in the bag. My strawberries and my blueberries are up under there, and so I'm just gonna mix all them in. Shake that up. These are my burger patties. I did them 3 patties, and I'm gonna just cook one for myself since the kiddos left me here. And yeah. Okay, you see that like all that motherfucking man, nephew, and these some folks. Well, be quiet. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Now, got my fruit cut up. Go ahead and freeze that. These are my grapes. Go ahead and show you how I do it. I take my sugar. Open that. Sprinkle a little in there. Shake these up. Sorry, oh no, come on, don't do that to me. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up, shake it up. And then the top back on. And I have a lot of fruit in here, y'all, a lot. I'm eating smoothies for a long time, so I know that look like a lot of sugar, but really it's not for the amount of fruit that I got packed up in this green stuff. It's so fat. I don't need to be this fat when they sell it to you from the store. That's how I'm gonna start with my fruit now. It's smart. It's smart. It's all a little smart. Not too hard. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna move you guys over here. Excuse me, y'all. Okay. Got a smoker's cough now. I smoke. I know I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. I smoke. I'm supposed to stop, but I. Just can't, y'all. Little Friday turned up. Okay, I'm bored, y'all. My kids are gone. Oh, they leave me. Okay, so that's turn on my eyes. I need 2 eyes going. Owls, eyes, whatever you call it. One for my booty. I'm gonna use this one for my hamburger. Oh no, that one is not level. So maybe I'm gonna use this one, the cast iron. And it needs to be treated because I haven't used it in a while. So I'm just gonna let some oil sit in there. So this one cast iron skillet. And then over there, over here, on that other aisle, we're gonna use over there, we're gonna put our French fries. All right, I got a little pan right here. Since it's only me, I won't need to cook a lot. Thank you, Lord. I tell you, I don't like cooking a lot of food no more like I used to. When I had 4 kids, family was coming over and all that. But now that I'm a loner, a stoner on my owner, I don't need too many, cooking big meals and using all them pots and pans. I already got to clean up. My kids are lazy. They like to stay on the go. They don't like to clean up. Hence, I'm getting me a 2-bedroom. Yes. Reginald got 2 more years before he's off to college. His dad has an apartment now with 2 bedrooms. So his bedroom mainly is going to be at his dad's house. And Zarina, she can be with me because she got a long way to go. But yeah. Not even, baby. Not even. I'm trying to downsize. When I get me another house, I'm going to be the owner. Or my husband is already ownership. I'm just moving in to take care of him. You heard that? And those are big facts. Big facts. Okay, so I'm going to take my burger. I got my grease going on over there. I'm going to turn this down some because it's really smoking over here, okay? Turn the fan on. And so that we can see what's going on. Dang good, that burger gonna be good and good. Let that cool down just a little bit. And then I got my onions, bell pepper, burger. I'm gonna stick it in there and let that cook. And I'm gonna put my fries, and then I'll be back when it's done, you guys. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this video and if you would be interested in seeing more vlogs. I am getting used to talking to the camera, and so it's taking me a while to do it. I kind of went on Instagram, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, my name there is The Cutest Chick Ever. TheCutestChicEva. Like E up in this thing, the EVA. And you'll just find me posting a lot of stuff about my faith and spirituality and just encouragement. A lot of pictures, videos from my grandkids. And so, yeah, you going over there to follow me. Oh, yeah, look at this burger, guys. Let me just go ahead and show you a little preview of what's going on here. Now, I like to cook my burgers slow and slow. Oh, can you see? No, can you see it now? Yeah. Let me turn it. So this is the burger. And it is cooking. I got my onions and bell peppers in there again. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to flip it about 2-3 times on each side. And then I'm going to stick it in the oven. Just so it can finish cooking when my fries get done. And I like my burger medium well or well. And so, yeah, by the time I do that, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2 on each side. Stick that bad boy in the oven. And that bad boy is going to be good.